Kidney cleanse is a fantastic way to give your body the reset it needs. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the best juice and food options to cleanse your kidneys naturally, promoting detoxification and overall well-being. Incorporate these delicious and nutrient-packed choices into your routine to revitalize your kidneys and promote a healthier you. By steering clear of these items, you'll be taking a proactive step towards supporting your kidneys on their journey to health. Number 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale offer essential nutrients that promote kidney function. Their low potassium content makes them an ideal choice for supporting kidney health. Packed with iron, vitamins A and C, and a low potassium content, spinach is a kidney-friendly green that supports overall kidney health without overloading on undesirable elements. Number 2. Berries. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, blueberries contribute to overall kidney health while providing a burst of flavor. Blackberries boast anthocyanins and vitamin C, promoting assisting in the detoxification process for your kidneys. Cherries contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, potentially reducing oxidative stress on your kidneys while adding a sweet note to your diet, providing a unique blend of nutrients that can contribute positively to kidney health. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in potassium and high in vitamin C, making it a kidney-friendly option. Enjoy it roasted, steamed, or as a substitute for high potassium. Ingredients. The versatility of cauliflower makes it a valuable addition to your diet, and its low oxalate content ensures it's kidney-friendly, minimizing the risk of kidney stones. Cauliflower can contribute to reducing stress on your kidneys, supporting their healing process. Number 4. Olive oil. Olive oil's versatility makes it an ideal culinary companion, allowing you to enhance the flavor of your meals without compromising kidney health. Packed with antioxidants, olive oil helps combat oxidative stress, contributing to the overall health of your kidneys. Olive oil as your primary cooking fat can offer healthy monounsaturated fats, supporting overall cardiovascular health and indirectly benefiting your kidneys. Olive oil is rich in promoting heart health and indirectly benefiting kidney function by supporting overall cardiovascular well-being. Number 5. Fish. Fish into your diet can be a boon for kidney health, providing essential nutrients and omega-3 fatty acids. We'll explore the benefits of fish consumption and shed light on 7 foods you must avoid to ensure your kidneys receive the optimal care they need. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic not only adds zest to your dishes but also comes with potential health benefits, including support for kidney health. Garlic's antibacterial and antiviral properties can contribute to promoting a protective shield for your kidneys. Number 7. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice not only adds zest to your beverages but also brings potential benefits for kidney health. We'll explore the virtues of cranberry juice and highlight 7 foods you must avoid to ensure your kidneys receive optimal care.